Hey fellow adventurers, get ready for the ultimate Disney duel. Today, we're diving into a world of pixie dust and dreams, comparing two legendary vacation kingdoms, Disney World in Florida and Disneyland in California. It's a coast-to-coast battle of the mouse houses. Which one will steal your heart and claim the crown as the ultimate Disney destination? Whether you're dreaming of soaring through the skies with Peter Pan or braving the haunted halls of the Haunted Mansion, get ready for a magical journey. We'll uncover hidden secrets, unearth budget-friendly tips, and reveal the most enchanting experiences each park offers. So buckle up, grab your Mickey Mouse ears, and prepare for a sprinkle of magic. We're about to embark on a whirlwind adventure, exploring the sprawling landscapes of Disney World and the intimate charm of Disneyland. Imagine yourself zipping through Tomorrowland, cruising down Main Street, USA, and maybe even sharing a hug with Mickey Mouse himself. We'll be your trusty guide through every twist and turn, revealing insider tips and tricks to make your trip unforgettable. We'll help you navigate the crowds, conquer those long lines, and make the most of your time and budget. Whether you're a seasoned Disney pro or a first-time visitor, get ready to experience the magic like never before. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're starting our magical journey in Orlando, Florida, home to the colossal wonder that is Walt Disney World. Picture this: 4 incredible theme parks, 2 dazzling water parks, and a sprawling entertainment district, all begging to be explored. It's like stepping into a dream where Disney magic knows no bounds. First up, we have the Magic Kingdom, the heart and soul of Disney World, where classic fairy tales come to life. Then, blast off to Epcot, a celebration of global cultures and technological innovation. Get ready for a wild time at Disney's Hollywood Studios, where you'll step into the action-packed worlds of movies and television. And don't forget Disney's Animal Kingdom, a breathtaking combination of a zoological park and a theme park, where adventure and conservation collide. Navigating this wonderland might seem daunting, but fear not, adventurers. With a little planning and our insider tips, you'll be conquering Disney World like a pro. First things first, download the My Disney Experience app, your digital key to unlocking the magic. Use it to make dining reservations, book FastPass Plus selections for your favorite rides, and even check wait times in real time. Speaking of rides, Disney World is home to some of the most iconic attractions on the planet. Soar through the stars on Space Mountain, journey to a galaxy far, far away on Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance, and plunge down Splash Mountain for the ultimate water ride thrill. And hey, budget travelers, did you know you can bring your snacks and drinks into the parks? That's right, pack a backpack with your favorites and save those precious pennies for souvenirs. The original dream Disneyland awaits. Next stop, we're heading westward to sunny Anaheim, California, where the magic all began, Disneyland. This is the park Walt Disney himself walked through, the one that sparked imaginations and created a legacy. While smaller in scale than its Florida counterpart, Disneyland oozes with charm, nostalgia, and a unique intimacy you won't find anywhere else. Get ready to step back in time and experience classic attractions like Pirates of the Caribbean, the Haunted Mansion, and the original Matterhorn Bobsleds, rides that have been delighting visitors for generations. Explore 8 themed lands, bursting with imagination, from the whimsical Fantasyland to the futuristic thrills of Tomorrowland. And don't forget about Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge, a truly immersive experience that transports you to a galaxy far, far away. Maximizing magic, Disneyland style. Navigating Disneyland is a breeze thanks to its compact size. You can easily stroll from one land to another, soaking up the enchanting atmosphere and discovering hidden Mickeys along the way. But don't mistake its size for a lack of excitement. Disneyland packs a punch when it comes to maximizing your magical experience. One of the best ways to conquer Disneyland is by snagging a spot at Fantasmic or the Main Street Electrical Parade. These nighttime spectaculars are a feast for the senses and a Disney rite of passage. And speaking of maximizing your time, take advantage of Disneyland's Max Pass system. Similar to Disney World's Fast Pass Plus, Max Pass lets you reserve ride times digitally, minimizing those wait times and allowing you to pack even more fun into your day. East Coast extravaganza versus West Coast wonder. All right, adventurers, it's time for a head-to-head comparison. Today, we're diving deep into the magic and wonder of Disney World on the East Coast and Disneyland on the West Coast. Both destinations offer unique experiences, but which one is the ultimate Disney destination? Let's find out. When it comes to sheer scale, Disney World takes the crown. This sprawling resort is a world unto itself, offering an unparalleled array of attractions and experiences. We're talking 4 theme parks, 2 water parks, a shopping and dining district, and a whole lot of magic spread across a whopping 40 square miles. That's right, 40 square miles of pure enchantment. From the iconic Cinderella Castle in Magic Kingdom to the futuristic landscapes of Epcot, the wild adventures of Animal Kingdom, and the cinematic thrills of Hollywood studios, Disney World is a place where dreams come true on a grand scale. Disneyland, on the other hand, is a more intimate affair, clocking in at a cozy 1 square mile. But don't let its size fool you. This is where the magic all began. Opened in 1955, Disneyland is the original Disney theme park, and it holds a special place in the hearts of Disney fans around the world. Disneyland packs a punch with its classic charm and nostalgic appeal. Here, you can walk in Walt Disney's footsteps and experience the attractions that started it all. From the timeless enchantment of Sleeping Beauty Castle to the whimsical adventures of Fantasyland, Disneyland is a place where the past and present come together in perfect harmony. Accommodation options are plentiful at both resorts, ranging from budget-friendly value resorts to luxurious deluxe options. Whether you're looking for a cozy place to rest your head after a day of adventure or a lavish retreat to indulge in some pampering, both Disney World and Disneyland have you covered. But Disney World takes the cake when it comes to sheer variety. With over 25 resort hotels to choose from, there's something for everyone. From the rustic charm of Disney's Wilderness Lodge to the Victorian elegance of Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, the options are endless. Imagine waking up in a Polynesian paradise at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, or living out your African safari dreams at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. These unique accommodations offer immersive experiences that transport you to far-off lands without ever leaving the resort. Disneyland offers its own unique accommodations, like the whimsical Disneyland Hotel with its iconic monorail water slides. This hotel is a tribute to the magic of Disneyland, with themed rooms and nostalgic touches that make your stay truly special. When it comes to dining, Disney World offers an incredible array of options. From quick service eateries to fine dining experiences, there's something to satisfy every palate. You can enjoy a character breakfast with Mickey and friends, savor international cuisine at Epcot's World Showcase, or indulge in a gourmet meal at one of the resort's signature restaurants. Disneyland also boasts a delightful selection of dining options. Whether you're craving a classic churro, a refreshing Dole Whip, or a meal at the Blue Bayou overlooking the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, there's no shortage of delicious treats to enjoy. Special events and seasonal celebrations are a big part of the Disney experience. At Disney World, you can enjoy events like Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, Epcot International Food and Wine Festival, and the magical holiday celebrations that transform the parks into a winter wonderland. Disneyland also knows how to celebrate in style. From the spooky fun of Halloween time to the festive cheer of the holidays at Disneyland Resort, there's always something special happening to make your visit even more magical. Getting around Disney World is a breeze thanks to its extensive transportation options. You can hop on a bus, monorail, or even a boat to get from one part of the resort to another. The convenience and efficiency of Disney World's transportation system make it easy to explore all that the resort has to offer. Disneyland, being more compact, is easy to navigate on foot, but for a fun and nostalgic way to get around. You can take a ride on the iconic Disneyland Railroad, which circles the park and offers a relaxing journey through its various lands. Nighttime spectaculars are a highlight at both resorts. At Disney World, you can witness the awe-inspiring Happily Ever After fireworks show at Magic Kingdom, the stunning Epcot Forever at Epcot, and the dazzling Fantasmic at Hollywood Studios. These shows are a perfect way to end your day with a touch of Disney magic. Disneyland also offers its own breathtaking nighttime shows. Fantasmic takes you on a journey through Mickey's imagination, while the fireworks over Sleeping Beauty Castle light up the night sky in a truly magical display. These shows are a testament to the timeless appeal of Disneyland and its ability to create unforgettable memories. Ultimately, whether you choose Disney World or Disneyland, you're in for an unforgettable experience. Both resorts offer a unique blend of magic, adventure, and nostalgia that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So, adventurers, which coast will you choose for your next Disney adventure? The grand scale of Disney World or the classic charm of Disneyland? The choice is yours. And either way, you're in for a magical journey. From thrill seekers to tiny tots, finding your perfect park. Foodies, prepare for a culinary adventure. Both Disney World and Disneyland offer a smorgasbord of dining options, from quick service bites to character dining experiences and signature restaurants helmed by world-renowned chefs. But here's the kicker. Disney World boasts a wider selection of fine dining establishments, perfect for those looking to indulge in a little culinary magic. Think California Grill at Disney's Contemporary Resort for panoramic views and exquisite cuisine. Now, let's talk exclusive attractions. Disney World is home to some experiences you won't find anywhere else, like Pandora, the world of Avatar at Disney's Animal Kingdom, where you can soar through the skies on the back of a banshee. Disneyland, however, holds its own with attractions like Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout at Disney California Adventure Park, a thrilling drop ride that's sure to get your adrenaline pumping. The grand finale, which Disney Kingdom reigns supreme? So, the million-dollar question, which park is right for you? If you're craving a sprawling vacation with endless possibilities, Disney World is your kingdom come true. With its sheer size and variety, you could spend weeks exploring all it has to offer. Families with young children will especially appreciate the abundance of attractions and experiences geared towards little ones. For a more manageable experience steeped in history and nostalgia, Disneyland is the perfect choice. Its compact size makes it easy to navigate, even with young children in tow. Couples and adults will appreciate the park's intimate atmosphere and classic charm. And hey, solo travelers, Disneyland is a fantastic option for embracing your inner child and experiencing the magic at your own pace. A universe of enchantment awaits. Wow, what a whirlwind tour of two of the most magical places on Earth. We've explored the sprawling wonders of Disney World and the nostalgic charm of Disneyland, uncovering hidden secrets and sharing insider tips to make your trip unforgettable. From thrilling rides to enchanting shows and unforgettable character encounters, both parks offer a unique blend of magic and adventure that's sure to leave you spellbound. Whether you're dreaming of soaring through Pandora, the world of Avatar, or stepping back in time on the original Pirates of the Caribbean ride, there's a Disney experience waiting to ignite your imagination. Remember those budget-friendly tips and tricks we shared? With a little planning, you can experience the magic without breaking the bank, leaving more room for souvenirs and those iconic Mickey Mouse ears. Until our next adventure, so fellow adventurers, the choice is yours. Will you answer the siren call of Disney World's vast playground of enchantment, or embrace the nostalgic allure of Disneyland, where it all began? No matter which coast you choose, one thing's for sure: a world of wonder awaits, ready to sprinkle a little pixie dust into your life and create memories that will last a lifetime. As you plan your ultimate Disney adventure, remember to pack your sense of wonder, embrace the unexpected, and most importantly, never lose sight of the magic that lives within us all. After all, as Walt Disney himself once said, Disneyland will never be completed. It will continue to grow as long as there is imagination left in the world. Keep the magic alive. And there you have it, folks. Our epic Disney World versus Disneyland showdown has come to an end. But the magic doesn't have to stop here. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed our journey, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels, and may your days be filled with pixie dust and dreams come true. Remember, adventure is out there, just waiting to be discovered. So, go out there and make some magic.